The world is celebrating AIDS Day today. This year, it has a special significance considering the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on the deadly global epidemic that AIDS is. This year, a fewer number of people received antiretroviral therapy necessary to treat AIDS. This can upset the US Sustainable Development Goals SDG 3.3 ambitious target of eradicating AIDS by 2030. In November 2020, during his address in the virtual ministerial meeting of Global Prevention Coalition for HIV Prevention, Dr. Harsh Vardhan, India's health minister, with reference to HIV prevention during the COVID-19 pandemic, said, "The government of India took swift and timely action by involving communities, civil society, development partners to reach out to the last mile with a robust implementation plan for ARV dispensation. The government also linked key populations and people living with HIV to various social welfare schemes. Advisories and guidance notes were also issued by NACO from time to time, aligned with global guidelines in the context." In the conference, Dr. Vardhan also said India's prevention model can be adopted and scaled up in many countries by tailoring the intervention as per local settings. He also highlighted how the provision of generic antiretroviral drugs from India to the world has had a critical impact in controlling the HIV epidemic. India has played a pivotal role in the global scenario for fighting AIDS. A look at India's contribution in the global AIDS scenario. Known as the pharmacy of the world for selling medicines at reasonable prices, especially in developing countries, India by June 2016 was supplying more than 80% of the antiretroviral drugs. These low-cost generic medicines helped scale up access to HIV treatment across developing countries. In early 2001, when only 1 in 1,000 people living with HIV in Africa had access to life-saving ARV medicines, Cipla Limited, an Indian generic pharma company, offered to sell the AIDS cocktail, a triple combination of ARV treatment, at $350 per person per year, when the ARV drugs were sold by the big pharma companies in the developed country markets for $10,000 to $15,000 per person per year. This completely changed the landscape of HIV treatment. ARV coverage in sub-Saharan Africa has increased from nothing to almost 60% of the affected population. In 2019, southern and western regions of Africa, having largest population of people living with HIV/AIDS worldwide, were the largest importers of Indian pharmaceuticals. These medicines have contributed to milestone achievement of providing access to life-saving antiretroviral therapy to more than 15 million people around the world.